Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. Who is reading?
Verse number 2. What is called renunciation is the same as yoga, or linking oneself with the Supreme. For no one can become a yogi unless he renounces the desire for sense gratification.
Here is the point of yoga practice. Yoga means to join. Now, in our conditional state, although we are part and parcel of the Supreme, but we are now separated. The same example, this finger is part and parcel of your body, but if it is separated, amputated, it has no value. But so long it is joined with this body, its value is millions of dollars and more than that. If there is any disease, you can spend any amount to cure. Similarly, we at the present moment, in the conditioned state of material existence, we are separated from God. Therefore we are so much reluctant to speak of God, to understand about God, our relationship with God. We think it is simply waste of time. In this meeting, everyone knows that this temple, Krishna Consciousness Temple, is speaking of God, or any church. People are not very much interested. They think that is a kind of what is called recreation in the name of spiritual advancement. Otherwise it is simply waste of time. Better this time could be used for earning some money or enjoying a club or in a restaurant. Sense enjoyment. So, detraction from God means sense enjoyment. Those who are too much addicted to sense enjoyment, they are not, eligible for yoga system. Yoga system is not that you go on doing all nonsense in sense gratification and in simply sit down meditation. This is simply colossal works. It has no meaning. Yoga system first is to sense, controlling the sense, yam, niyam. There are 8 different stages of practicing yoga. Yam, niyam, asan, dhyan, dharana, pranayam, pratyahara, samadhi. So, in the beginning, first of all, we shall speak in this chapter. Lord Krishna will teach you what is yoga system. Therefore, in the beginning, Krishna says that For no one can become a yogi unless he renounces the desire for sense gratification. So, anyone who is indulging in sense gratification is a nonsense. He is not a yogi. He cannot be a yogi. Yoga system is strictly celibacy. No sex life. That is yoga system. No one can become a yogi if he indulges in sex life. The so-called yogis come to your country and say, yes, whatever you like you can do. You meditate, I give you some mantra. These are all nonsense. Here it is authoritative statement that no one can become a yogi unless he renounces the desire for sense gratification. This is the first condition. Go on.
Verse number 3. For one who is a neophyte in the Eightfold Yoga system, work is said to be the means, and for one who has already attained to yoga, cessation of all material activities is said to be the means.
Yes. There are two stages. One who is practicing yoga to reach to the perfectional platform, and one who has attained the perfectional platform. So long one is not on the perfectional platform, just trying to do it. At that time there are so many works. That asana system, yam, niyam. So generally in your country there are so many yoga societies. They display this asana system. How to sit down, different postures. That helps. But that is the process simply to get on to the real platform. They are simply means. Real yoga system, perfection is different from those bodily gymnastic process. So there are two stages. One stage is trying to reach the perfectional platform, and another stage is one who has reached the perfectional platform. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.